Alright, so as is my consistent and established practice, I am presently and actively connected to the powerful and highly functional OpenAI API. This connection is being utilized within the context of a more sophisticated and advanced programming example, which has been specifically designed and implemented to significantly expedite and accelerate the overall processing and execution of tasks, thereby making things considerably faster and more efficient for our current demonstration. This allows you to explore conversations in parallel with a little arrow pointing right and left. And it also offers the same visualization in the form of nodes. A tree that starts from a root node expands and can branch out in different directions. And it also conveniently lets you view the entire content in full detail, or as a concise summary, or even as a handy sticker.